Welcome to the Account Administration Account Details page. Here you can view important account information, including your assigned servers, licenses and quotas, service entitlements, permission entitlements, and account-wide limits. Starting from the top, you have your basic account overview, which lets you know some basic account information. Moving along, you have your assigned servers. These are actually the servers that you put into, for example, email programs like Outlook, Thunderbird, Mac Mail. These are the server host names in here. So this is good to know that these are available here. You also have your FTP host name as well, in case you need to connect via FTP to upload website files. Down here you have your licenses and quotas. You can also click here to upgrade your account. Starting from right here, you have your user licenses, as well as how many licenses you have versus how many users you actually have, what type of licenses they have. It will show you basic spam filtering, premium spam filtering as well. You'll also see all the other licenses in your account. For example, I have one secure line license and one is being used. You also get to see your disk space limit, your premium secure form limits, the number of domains and DNS slots that you're using, as well as web hosting, so active websites, as well as how many you can create before you have to upgrade, your bandwidth limit, how much bandwidth you've used, and how many MySQL databases you've used. So you can check here for some basic account information should you ever need it. If you look in the service entitlement section, you'll see what type of services this account has. For example, I have IMAP, POP3, SMTP, basic spam, FTP, and web interface access. Depending on your account settings, this could be different. Below that, you have your permissions and entitlements. This lets you know what permission entitlements you can assign to different users. This is going to be mostly the same for all of our accounts, but you can double check here should you ever need to. And the final section, which is the account-wide limits, gives you important information like your SMTP sending limit. This is particularly important if you need to send out a large mail blast. Now, we do recommend our high-volume service for doing that, but in the event you need to send out to a smaller group every once in a while, as long as you don't exceed the 300 messages per day and the 900 messages per month, you should be okay. And that sums it up for this section. We hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please create a support ticket within your account, and we'll be glad to help.